How to fix YouTube upload failed error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the YouTube upload failed error so you can get your videos online without any issue. Let's jump in. First thing you need to do is check your internet connection. A slow and unstable internet connection is the most common reason for upload failures. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching over to data and vice versa. Once that is done, you can try to clear browser cache or app data. So for that, you can long press on your browser, tap on the I button. Once you get to the info section, go to storage and find the clear cache button at the bottom. Tap on it, just go back, and then you can also ensure that your YouTube app is up to date. For that, you can go to Play Store, tap the search icon, and search for YouTube. If you see an update button here instead of open, just make sure to update the app to its latest version. You can also check your video format and size. YouTube supports format like MP4, MOV, AVI, and others. Make sure your video doesn't exceed the size limit and is encoded properly as well. And that's gonna be it, guys. These are some of the things you can do to fix your upload issue on YouTube. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.